So, yun guys, no? Share ko lang yung huli ko kanina. Yan. Bisugo tsaka tong kakaibang isda. Yan. So, ayan po yung huli ko kanina, Manila Bay, Daang Barco Spot. Bisugo hunting. Thank you for watching.